Introducing British Clean, the complete solution to a hygienic lifestyle. We at British Clean take pride in our product lineup. We make sure all cleaning needs are taken care of. Here are some general instructions. Store all the products in a cool place and avoid direct contact with sunlight at all costs. Wear gloves and mask before handling our products. Never inhale the product directly from the can. Make sure you do not tamper or put hole in the inner cover of the can. The concentrated products should be diluted for the daily usage only. Never store the diluted products for more than 1 day. Make sure you always wash your hands after using the products. Apart from these general instructions, here are some of the product-specific instructions that needs to be kept in mind while using them. S1. Floor Cleaner and Bathroom Sanitizer Concentrate. Remember to follow the general instructions while handling any of the products. Take 5 ml of the S1 solution and dilute it in 1 liter of water for normal soiling, or dilute 10 ml of S1 solution in 1 liter of water for heavy soiling. The product kills 99.9% of germs and is used for sanitizing all surfaces except carpet flooring. Do not use the diluted product on leather surfaces or carpet flooring. S2. All-Purpose Cleaning Concentrate. Dilute 10 to 20 ml of S2 solution in 1 liter of water for normal soiling, or dilute 20 to 40 ml of S1 in 1 liter of water for heavy soiling. For use on glass surfaces, dilute 5 to 10 ml of S2 in 1 liter of water. The diluted product can be used on all surfaces except on stainless steel and leather surfaces. S3. Glass Cleaner Concentrate. Dilute 20 to 50 ml of S3 solution in 1 liter of water for use. It gives a glossy finish on glass surfaces and cannot be used on any other surfaces. S4. Furniture Polish, ready to use. This is a ready-to-use product and there is no need for dilution. Take a soft cloth and your sufficient quantity of S4 solution and rub it gently on the wooden surfaces. Only to be used on wooden surfaces and leather surfaces. S5. Air Freshener, ready to use. Make sure to shake well horizontally, not vertically. Turn off overhead fans and transfer the product from the 5-liter can to the spray can. And close both the lids immediately to ensure the strength of the fragrance is retained. Make sure you shake the spray can every time before use. For best effects, spray on absorbent surface such as curtains, carpets, screens, mats, fabric, sofas and open air. Avoid plastic surfaces and electronics. S6. Toilet Bowl Cleaner, ready to use. Pour sufficient quantity of the S6 solution on the ceramic surface. Rub gently with a brush, let it soak and rinse with water after 10 minutes. Best suited for all types of ceramic surfaces including bathtub, urinals, wash basin, closets, etc. S7. All Floor Cleaner Concentrate. Follow general instructions and dilute 15 ml of S7 in 1 liter of water for normal soiling, or dilute 30 ml of S7 in 1 liter of water for heavy soiling. This product is best suitable for granite floors, marble floors, vinyl floor, tiles floor, wooden floor and surfaces, cement floor and surfaces, Kota stone floors and surfaces, and ceramic surfaces. S7HS. Floor Hard Surface Cleaner Concentrate. Follow general instructions and dilute 25 ml of S7HS in 1 liter of water for normal soiling, or dilute 50 ml of S7HS in 1 liter of water for heavy soiling. This product is best suitable for granite floors, tiles floor, wooden floor and surfaces, cement floor and surfaces, and ceramic surfaces. The product is to be used on oily and greasy floors and hard surface areas, as well as for bathroom tiles. LS8 Lime Scale Remover. Dilute 100 ml of LS8 solution in 1 liter of water for normal soiling. Use it once a week, or in case of heavy soiling, dilute 100 ml of the solution in 1 liter of water and use it thrice a week. Most suitable for use on bathroom fittings. It will remove only the watermarks, scale and rust from the fittings. To be used only on ceramic, tile and granite floors and bathroom fittings. Take care to not inhale within closed areas. DW9 Dishwash Liquid Concentrate. With this product, dilute 20 to 50 ml of DW9 solution in 1 liter of water. It is best suited for cleaning kitchen equipment and utensils. HW10 Hand Wash Liquid. Ready to use. This product is ready to use. The HW solution just needs to be transferred onto the container or hand wash dispenser and can be directly applied on the hand to cleanse the skin. Keeps it soft and smooth. SC11 Scale Care. Ready to use. To be directly applied on dry surfaces where the scales are visible. Rub it with the scrubber and wipe it immediately with the dry clean cloth to remove the scale. This can be used on granite, ceramic, tile, cement floors and surfaces, and remember, these surfaces are to be treated with water only after 2 hours. SSP12 Stainless Steel Polish. Ready to use. Polish can be applied directly on a soft cloth and rub gently onto the stainless steel surface and wipe it after 2 to 3 minutes. Subsequently, rub the surface with the same cloth to get best results. This product is to be used only on stainless steel surfaces. CC13 Carpet Care Concentrate 2-in-1. Remember to follow the general instructions and dilute 30 ml of CC13 solution in 1 liter of water. The diluted product can be directly applied on the stains in the carpet and rub it with the brush until satisfied. This product can be used only on carpet flooring. Thank you for choosing British Clean. We hope this video was helpful in understanding our products. For more detailed information on these, please download the MSDS manual from our website www.britishclean.com.